Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Looker Studio to track affiliate revenue from multiple sources. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Looker Studio account. If you don't have an account, navigate to the Looker Studio website and create one. Once logged in, click on the Create button in the top left corner. Select Data Source from the drop-down menu. In the Data Source options, search for the specific connector for the affiliate platform you want to track. Click on the connector to initiate the connection process. Authenticate your account by following the prompts specific to that platform. Grant Looker Studio the necessary permissions to access your affiliate data. After authentication, choose the specific data you want to import. Click Connect to establish the data flow from your affiliate source. Next, return to your Looker Studio homepage. Create a new report by selecting Report from the Create menu. In the report, click on Add a chart to visualize your data. Choose from various chart options based on your preference. Drag and drop your chosen chart into the report area. Next, click on the chart to configure its data. In the Data panel, select the data source you just connected. Map your metrics and dimensions accordingly to display affiliate revenue. To track revenue from multiple sources, repeat the process for each affiliate platform. Ensure that all data sources are connected and configured properly. Use the Blend Data feature to combine metrics from different sources if necessary. Select the appropriate dimensions and metrics to create blended visuals. Customize your report further by adding filters and date ranges as needed. Once your report is ready, review your visualizations for accuracy. Finally, share your report with stakeholders to keep them updated on your affiliate revenue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.